Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over Cloudtx. That's the name of the token. Ticker symbol is Cloud. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can use get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here. Cloudtx. So, Cloudtx just got listed very recently, within the past 24 hours or so, I believe, on CoinMarketCap. And they're doing very well so far. Right now, they're up 23.96% since their listing. Their official webpage is cloudtx.finance. On CoinMarketCap, you can find a full white paper. You can find their webpage, Block Explorer, Twitter, Telegram, GitHub, price chart, contract address. All of that is available on here. So this is a Binance Smart Chain token. There's a couple of different ways to get this token. First way, in a decentralized manner, you could fund your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain. Go into the dApps. Find PancakeSwap and trade your BSC for the Cloud token using the contract address that you could find on CoinMarketCap. Their webpage, white paper, BSC scan, you can find it all over. Just make sure you have the right contract address. And you may have to set slippage if that's in the tokenomics. Now, if you want to get it off a centralized exchange, you can get it off of Azbit, A-Z-B-I-T. Just download that app from the Play Store or the Google Play Store, Apple App Store. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search Cloud, and then you would just trade your USDT for the Cloud token. It's that easy. So yeah, if you want to find info, you can head over to their official webpage, cloudtx.finance. If you want to find even more info, you can head over to their white paper, which is on CoinMarketCap. Their BSC scan says the total supply of this token is 200 million tokens, 886 holders right now they have, 14,328 transfers, and 9 decimal places. So their white paper isn't too crazy long. It's only 13 pages. Seems like this is somewhat of a new project. It says, Cloudtx is the newest brand revolving around the idea of providing a smooth, secure, and efficient experience at a negligible cost. Cloudtx is a Layer 1 blockchain network that has successfully overcome the blockchain trilemma. The blockchain trilemma refers to the balancing act amongst security, scalability, and decentralization. In simple words, if the network is centralized, it makes a highly scalable yet less secure. On the other hand, if blockchain networks are decentralized and safe, the scalability reduces, which means higher transaction fees and a slower process. That's the whole conundrum. At Cloudtx, we have solved the scalability trilemma by introducing proof-of-stake system. Proof-of-stake focuses on improving the consensus protocol. The proof-of-stake consensus mechanism assesses the validator status subjected to the total stake in the network. This further leads to significantly increasing the overall network's capacity while strengthening decentralization and security. This mechanism synchronizes and optimizes all of the networks on the blockchain, leading to a balanced and efficient platform. So some of the features here of the Cloudtx ecosystem, it provides a safe and secure wallet, which allows the customers to manage all of their cryptocurrencies. All the transactions are cryptographically signed, hence highly secured. It also enables the user to look up historical or real-time data using the Cloudtx Explorer. Data includes transactions, tokens, addresses, and all various activities that occurred on the Cloudtx blockchain network. The users can also benefit from the Cloudtx staking and farming platform. Staking enables crypto holders to earn a passive income referred to as rewards by locking up a certain amount of digital assets, ultimately contributing to the blockchain network. Cloudtx allows the users to unlock their invested cryptocurrency and still earn rewards. However, unlocking it before a period of 7 days implies a tax amount to be paid, which is equivalent to the 10% of the cryptocurrency. Farming refers to depositing a certain number of cryptocurrencies into a pool along others and earning interest and rewards from them. While it is riskier than staking and it yields a greater short-term return, cryptocurrency holders can also exchange any fiat currency or cryptocurrency within their wallet, benefiting from the Cloudtx fastest swap feature, which allows safe, smooth, and fast exchanges. To further improve our value chain, we are soon introducing Cloudtx Safe Lockers, which will focus on Safe Stored Auto, SSA. SSA is an amalgamation of the advanced technology and unique human identification features, which leads a top-notch secured ecosystem. So their applications include the Cloudtx wallet. The Cloudtx has launched a mobile application for its users, which enables users to manage their digital assets on the go and make them fast and secure transactions. And we also have the Cloudtx Token Locker. And is soon launching the token locker that enables the users to freeze cryptocurrency tokens for a certain period during which no transactions or trades of the token can take place. We also have the Cloudtx dApps, which provides investors with the ability to easily trade, view charts, and transactions in details. We have Cloudtx Staking and Farming. This application allows the users to manage the token staking and earn rewards. Rewards are in the form of earning more cryptocurrencies. The Cloudtx blockchain uses the POS mechanism, which has a faster transaction speed and or efficient system. So it goes over token distribution a little bit on here. There it says, we already went over total supply is 200 million tokens. It says so far they've burned 10 million of them. Their roadmap is on here when they're launching certain parts. When they're coming out with central exchange listings. They're going to have a CERTIC audit in phase 4, phase 3 tech rate and RD audit. All sorts of different, their utilities are launching in different phases. You can check this all out at cloudtx.finance. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Get yourself some free crypto. Thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.